Just sold my motorcycle today. I'm following them back to Norwalk so I can get my plate back. Happy camper this guy is. We're coming up on him, and you get to see him riding. I don't know how he's doing it. The temperature right now is, I think, like last time I checked, it was 44 degrees. And you can hear him. What a good sounding bike. I tell you, I hated to let it go, but I just had to. Let's get a good look at him. He's riding. This is Dave. He's taking my baby onto the garage. Actually, Ruben is the one that bought it. There he is. There he is, folks. Look at that profile. Let me get on over. Man, it's cold out there, I already know. I already know. I'm looking at his jacket just blowing. I know if I was him, I'd be riding in that slow lane, going about 40. But the faster you go, the more wind you're gonna catch. Yeah, we get ready to go over this bridge up here. And it gets cold up this top of this bridge up here. That heart be blowing. I can hear the wind whistling. It's so cold out there, it sounds like the wind is talking. Getting out the car. Oh, there's Ruben over there. Hey, Ruben.
What's up, man?
Are you happy now? You got a new bike.
Happy, man.
Oh, man, I tell you what, man. We really appreciate you, man.
I have to wait 2 weeks to be on the road.
Hey, do your wife know you spent that Christmas money?
She does, she does.
All right, let's go back over here and take a look at ask Dave, how is he doing, and how are the fingertips, Dave?
Fingertips are good. The gloves were too small.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. They were.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
They were too small.
I could barely get my hands in.
Oh, wow. Well, there's the bike, everybody.
She made it.
I'm letting it go. So how was the ride, Dave?
Good. Needs
You
back
like-
brakes and it needs
No.
the adjustment.
The brakes in the front?
Back.
Back?
Yep.
Probably need to be adjusting.
Yep.
All right, so this concludes it. We're going to try to wrap things up and get my license plate off of there. And hopefully they'll have a good year on this bike. It's got a lot of life left to it. I hate to see it go. Did put the windshield on for them. I know that helped out a whole lot. Wow, look at that. Look at that. All right, folks, that's it. We'll see you. What's up, everybody? Actually, I just bought a car today, and I'm in Stanford, and I bought the car today, and come to find out who I bought it from actually has a gym. So here we are. Very nice. Just walking through, he had to go, him and his wife went to go do dinner. And they also, back here, have a Taekwondo place actually with a train. This is awesome. This is really awesome. Well, that I'm here, and I'm waiting for the tow truck to come to pick up the car that I brought. It was something that saved some gas on. It's a 2007 Nissan Versa, and has a few miles on it, but it's something I can use to go to work and save money than that 4.7 Jeep Grand Cherokee that I have. So this is going to do me better as far as saving. So we want to just start and get our workout on. I have my wife here with me. She came with me, and I love this. I love this spot, man. This is beautiful. We are in a basement. This guy is he's terrific, and he was wonderful. He's letting us use the gym, and we're going to get a workout on. Here we go.